Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. Nice to see you again, and it's nice to be here. I'm going to do an unboxing video today. I got a razor in the post sent to me from Tatara razors in Portugal. So it's in the box here. So what I'll do is I'll switch the camera up and I'll open the box and then we'll get into the package. I've not opened this, so you guys are seeing it as I'm seeing it. So let's change the camera up and we'll look inside and get this unboxed and have a look at the razor. Okay, so here's the box it comes in. I've taken my address off it, but the Tatara razor's address is still there. So let's have a look. So there's the package there. Comes with a lovely wax seal with the Tatara razor's logo. Just take this out. So move the box to the side. Yeah, so here it is here. Comes in this paper. As I say, there's their logo there, which is like a samurai Japanese warrior with the swords. Let me just cut this open. Actually, I'll just try and break that seal like that. Yeah, very nice. That comes off pretty easily. So there's their wax seal. I'll just move that to the side. I'll open this up, see what we get. Okay, move that paper to the side. So here's the box. Yeah, it says there, Tatara razors, tatararazors.com, info, the email address. Not much else on the box. Again with that little logo there. Okay, so I just slide this open, do I? It's kind of hard to, there we go, that's it. So it comes in this cork, this kind of cork box, and that says from routine to passion. So there's the box there. So I will just take this off. There's a little card here that says about us. You can pause that there if you want to read that. Tells you all about it. Okay, so there is the razor in the box. It comes with some blades, feather blades, 3 feather blades there. And there's a little kind of leaflet here, just shows you how to assemble the razor. There's a little bit of blurb that you can pause if you like and read. Yeah, so again, it just kind of shows you how to put it all together. How to insert a blade, stuff like that. That's just a little bit of paper there. There's the blade. So this nice cork kind of finish. Yeah, it's quite nice. 3 feather blades, and here is the razor. I'll just take that out. So it comes like that. I'll just move that to the side. So here's the razor here. Very nice, as you can see. Yeah, all stainless steel. Very nice, good weight to it actually. It feels quite nice in the hand. I'll put all the specs up on the screen right now and you can take a look. So that's all the specs. I'll just unscrew this. Yeah, so quite a long thread, and the thread screws into the handle. Oh, very nice. Very nicely made. There's the base cap. The top cap there. Yeah, beautiful finish. And on that it says the model of the razor. which is a Nodachi. It's there again with that logo, but that is beautifully made. Not a single mark on that. Very nice. Yeah, let me just show you that close up. That's going to focus. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, really nicely made. So the handle, the top of the handle has this little thing. I think you can change this handle out for different handles. But it all fits together. Yeah, that actually screws up inside that. I'll show you if I take that off. Can you see that going up? That little piece goes up inside there. Very nice. Yeah, it looks great. Looks really nice. Beautiful finish on it. Yeah, so what I'll do just now is I'll get the camera and I'll give you some close-ups of the razor and you can take a look. But that was the unboxing for the Tatara Masamune, I think it's Masamune Nodachi razor. There it is there. Yeah, so I'll give you some close-ups now and then I'll go and do a shave video with this. Looking forward to it. Nice weight to it. Very, very nice and beautifully made. Okay.